everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shifra if you are new here. Today I am doing a video to show people a few tips and tricks of how you can be more sustainable in your everyday life. A lot of these tips may seem a bit obvious to some people, but I still see people walking around with single-use plastic bottles, so I think this video might be needed. No shame, no shame. Obviously everyone is on their own journey, but I just wanted to make a little video and show you guys some easy ways to be more sustainable. Let's jump straight in. The first way to be more sustainable is to buy a reusable water bottle. I have one of these cooler bottles from Chili's. I bought this probably about over a year ago now, and it's still in perfect condition. These are great bottles because they keep the water the same temperature for, I believe, 24 hours. These are absolutely great, but you don't need to get a Chili's one. You can buy similar style ones in any supermarket. And these are great because you save money, you don't need to go and buy single-use water bottles, you're also not polluting the environment, and it's just such an easy way to just be an eco queen. Like, that's what we're trying to do around here, just be an eco queen. The second tip is for all you coffee and tea lovers, is to have your own coffee cup. This one was actually given to me by the business school I went to, and these are just great. I don't know why I'm smelling it. These are just a great thing to have in your bag in case you want to go grab a coffee. And also a lot of cafes now give you discounts if you use your own cups. I have a really nice bamboo coffee cup. I can't actually find it at the moment, but I will link that one down below as well because that's a really great brand. But honestly, you can buy one of these, once again, from any major supermarket or even from your local coffee shop. They probably sell them. You can buy a little cute one. This one I am absolutely repping. I mean, it's matching. That's perfect. Seeing as we're on the theme of food and beverages, I thought I would show you guys this little box I have, which has reusable straws. My mum actually bought this for me in TK Maxx. So you have a normal straw, you have a bigger one that's more for milkshakes. Look at that. And then you have a really thin one, and it actually comes with its own brush as well. And I think it's actually in a bamboo case. The case looks like bamboo to me. If you can, pick up your own, and it doubles up as a musical instrument, so love that. This is such an easy way to be more sustainable in your everyday. These are a bit more annoying to carry around, so I think this is more of a niche purchase because only certain people will always want to use straws. Moving on to beauty, my first top tip on how to be more sustainable with beauty is to purchase one of these. Why does it look like I'm holding up my washing bag? Is to purchase reusable cotton pads. So these are actually mini towels that you can put in your washing machine. I think I bought these on Amazon maybe 2 years ago, and they come in this little bag, and I think it came in a set of 12. And these are great because you can use it once and then just throw it in the washing machine. And I haven't bought any cotton pads in at least 2 years. And that saves you so much money, and it also means that you're not throwing away cotton pads. These are actually so much better for your skin. I found these have helped my skin a lot because they are a lot softer. It's like using a nice little towel. I will link all the products that I am talking about down below, and if you guys have any other suggestions, please let me know because I'm always looking for little tips and ways that I can make my everyday life a bit more sustainable, so please let me know. On the theme of hygiene and beauty, I cannot recommend enough people using a menstrual cup or a moon cup. I'm obviously not going to show you it because TMI. Mine is from a company called Hey Girls. I actually bought it in Waitrose about, I'd say 2 years ago. And at the time when I was looking for one, they were all online selling for about £20. And I found this one in Waitrose for £8. And for every one that you purchase from them, they give one to a girl in a developing country. So that's such a good initiative, and it comes in this little bag, so you can throw it in your bag. These will revolutionize your life.
Revolutionize your life.
Moon cups, menstrual cups, wow. I mean, I'll link some articles down below because I know not everyone wants to hear about the ins and outs of periods, but these are amazing and you don't need to worry about toxic shock, which is
a great success.
Great. Finally, in terms of shopping, obviously to be more sustainable, try and shop locally, try and support smaller companies such as bookshops, your local fruit and veg, your local butcher, your local fishmonger, and especially following the COVID-19 lockdown, all of these companies and small businesses need to be supported, so obviously go and support them. But when you do go shopping, always try and bring your own bags with you. I always have a little bag like this in my purse. These are great because they fold up into these little pouches, so they're quite small and you can just shove them in your bag. Another bag that I really like is the netted bags. Mine is actually in the wash right now because I use it so much. But these are such easy ways. It saves you money because you don't need to buy a plastic bag every time you go to the shop, and also means you're not throwing away plastic bags down the line. These you can buy, once again, anywhere. I'll link some down below that are quite cute. I'm not sure where I got this one, but it's little Mickey Mouses. And finally, the last way to be more sustainable, of course, is to wear a reusable face mask. This one, my best friend Lydia actually sent it to me. It is so cute. It's a little towel material. I'll do a try on. And you've got the two straws to tie, the two shoelaces. Can't wait to wear this. And from the 24th of July, which is in about a week from now, it is mandatory to wear face masks in all shops in the UK. I actually made a video showing you how to make your own reusable masks, so check that out if you haven't. But this is another easy way to be more sustainable in your everyday. Once again, it saves you money. I feel like there is a common thread with being sustainable and saving money, because by being sustainable, whilst you may have to make a bit more of an investment in the short run, it's a long-term investment. You buy something once like this and you can wash it, you can reuse it. It means that you're not polluting, but you're also saving yourself money. So it's a win-win situation. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it informative. These are just some little tips and tricks that I use in my own life. If you have any more, please let me know in the comments. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye.